Okay, we need to start today. I need you guys to do your last vocab word because Miss Wright forgot to include it in a video a couple days ago. So you're going to do your last vocab word first before we start taking these two quizzes. But you guys already know what it means. So gobble. We know what gobble means, right? To eat in a fast and noisy way. If you're eating real fast and chewing real loud, that's gobbling your food up. Okay? Write about an animal that gobbles their food. Ooh. You think of an animal that gobbles their food and write about it, okay? Think of an animal that gobbles their food and write one sentence about it, okay? And then we'll get started on our quizzes. Let's do reading first. All right, here we go. Let's see, comprehension check. I just read down here, that in the book is a wolf, not a hog. Miss Wright is silly. I was thinking it looked kind of like a hog to me, but nope, it's a wolf. I'm sure y'all knew that because y'all always know those things that I don't know. But it's a wolf because it has a question about it in a minute. So it's the wolf that talks to the frog about all the things he eats, okay? All right, so find this page. We're gonna color in the bubble by the correct answer, okay? All right. How does frog communicate throughout the whole book? Ooh, we talked about these before. Okay, writing letters to a friend, sign language, text messages, or speech bubbles. How does frog communicate through the whole book? Look here, what are these things? All of these things. Does he communicate through writing letters to a friend, sign language, text messages, or speech bubbles? Why, number 2, why does frog suggest that he can be a rabbit? Because he can. Why does frog suggest that he can be a rabbit? You have to write your answer on that one, okay? Pause and write, and then come back. We're going to go to number 3. Which of these words is a synonym for persuade? Ooh, a synonym. Remember, we know what that is. A synonym, it means the same. A synonym, it means the same. Okay, so which of these words is the same as persuade? Demand, convince, or lie? Which one means to persuade? Okay, fill in the correct bubble of which one means to persuade. Demand, convince, or lie? Number 4. Wolves do not eat cats, rabbits, pigs, or owls. Is that true or false? In the book, the wolf told us he ate some things, okay? Now, wolves do not eat cats, rabbits, pigs, or owls. They do not. Is that true that they do not eat them, or is that false that they do not eat them? Okay. Number 5, if you were trying to persuade your principal for more recess time, what would you say? Even though we're not in school right now, but if we were, and you were trying to persuade her for more recess time, what would you say to her? Write that down, okay? That's the last question on there. Go ahead and pause and finish, and we're going to move on to vocab. Find your vocab paper. We've got wise, glum, gobble, fierce, and garage. I mean, just kidding. Garbage. Sorry. It's hard to read backwards. Okay, garbage. My dad always tells me to not blank my food. My dad always tells me to not wise my food, glum my food, gobble my food, fierce my food, or garbage my food. Okay. Pause and write. Going on to number 2. Number 2. 2 eyes stared back at me in the dark. 2 blank eyes stared back at me in the dark. 2 wise eyes, 2 glum eyes, 2 fierce eyes, or 2 garbage eyes. That one might be a little tricky. If you don't know that one, just skip it and come back to it, okay? Pause when you're done, or pause to finish, and then hit play when you're done. I help take out the blank twice a week. I help take out the wise twice a week. I help take out the glum twice a week. Or I help take out the garbage twice a week. Number 4. It would be blank to turn your homework in on time. It would be wise to turn your homework in on time. It would be glum to turn your homework in on time. Or it would be gobble to turn your homework in on time. It's number 4. Number 5. Marcy felt blank after she lost her favorite toy. Marcy felt wise after she lost her favorite toy. Marcy felt glum after she lost her favorite toy. Or Marcy felt fierce after she lost her favorite toy. Okay, when you're done, give that to your parents or grandparents or whomever. And we are done with reading for today. Don't forget to do your daily edits, please.